Battery alert? Oh, shit. Hey there, EV friends. It's Mark Weller from My EV Mechanic. Yep, you guessed it. Today we're going to be diagnosing a battery alert light. And so we're going to go through a case study. This was an actual problem that we encountered. And so we're going to go through it step by step, show you what we learned. And I actually give you a clue in this intro as to what it's going to be. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out what it was. Did you catch it? Let's take a look. So with a battery alert light, we're going to scan for codes just like we would a regular check engine light. So I have that pulled up over here, and I can see that it says alerts, none. And then I pulled up all of the individual cells. And this is actually a very good pack. So our problem is not in the battery pack. And that's going to be the case a fair amount of time, where you'll have a battery light and you're not necessarily going to be replacing a pack just because you have a battery alert light. Our pack here actually, so that's going to be just fine. So what I've done is I tapped into our bulb. And so I've just put in a little jumper here. So our battery light is coming on only whenever we're connected to the charge station. So let's connect up. And so then what happens is the charger will wake up, and then after just a few seconds, we'll get kind of this half-lit light. And so there it comes. I connected with a pigtail here, and I have this pulled up on the picoscope. So I'm on port A, and we're seeing DC volts of 8 and -12. So that doesn't really make a whole lot of sense. So if I click on here, and if I go to here, and I go to AC coupling, AC, port A, AC. And so now we're getting the same pattern we were seeing on DC, but that just confirms that we're getting an AC signal. So our half-lit light is because of the AC voltage leaking. And so we did a little bit of chasing and had to perform a little bit of a guessnosis on this one here. So I started by swapping out the MCU, and then after that didn't change anything, then we tried a different charger. So I'm going to connect up the other charger, and then we're going to take a look at the readings so you can see the difference. So I have substituted this charger on top here, and so I've connected to our charge port, AC coming in, and then we have our 2 wires for our CAN bus, and then our high voltage going down to the battery pack. And now when I connect our charge station, okay, code there as it communicates. We have no battery light coming on, and whenever we go over to our picoscope, so we're still on AC, we're on port A, and so it kind of ramped up there, and so it looks like we're sitting at around 2 volts of AC, and that seems to be okay. Seems to be happy with that. So no light, and so our battery pack was just fine. No problems with that. All right, well there it is, another diagnosis from the life of an EV technician. So yeah, the charger, the high voltage charger. Oh, and the clue at the beginning of the video? Yeah, that's right, AC voltage leaking into the chassis. So hope you enjoyed that, had a little fun with that, and make sure you tell your friends that EVs are now available for everyone. And if you're not already subscribed, please do. It helps YouTube show this video to more people, which then helps them learn about EVs just like you are. I look forward to seeing you in a future YouTube video.